So in this Crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin with Apple Pay here on Crypto.com. So once you open up Crypto.com, what I want you to do is either under favorites, press on Ethereum, or I guess Bitcoin in this case, or you can go to the top left, press on buy, then type in ticker symbol BTC, or just search up Bitcoin and select it this way. So once Bitcoin is selected, I want you to make sure that cash is highlighted. So for example, it could be crypto just like this, where you can buy Bitcoin with crypto. But for this case, you want to buy it with Apple Pay. Make sure that cash is selected. Then underneath where it says credit/debit, press on your Apple Pay. So I have Apple Pay set up here, but for example, if you had, maybe a credit card or a debit card linked, etc., and not your Apple Pay, you can press on Add Payment Method, add Apple Pay, make sure it is selected, then go to the bottom, press on Buy, and then proceed with the transaction this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Bitcoin with Apple Pay here on Crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.